Hello, friends. This is Natasha from Cryptemic Academy. Today, in our news digest, we will discuss the hottest events in the crypto world. Bitcoin continues to grow, Ethereum sets new records, as well as important news about the crypto sector and blockchain development around the world. Stay tuned to not miss the most important. Activity on Avalanche and other networks is growing. Avalanche has seen a 258% increase, while Sonic and Phantom have also seen significant user growth. This shows growing interest in these platforms and suggests potential capitalization growth. Bitcoin on the way to historical maximums. Bitcoin continues to grow, reaching $104,421, with forecasts for growth to $115,000, $120,000. Experts suggest that the correction will be in the range of $97,000, $99,000, but consolidation above $104,000 can accelerate the growth. Lido minimizes damage after Oracle compromise. On May 10th, Lido faced an attack on its Oracle, but thanks to its quick response, the damage was minimized. This confirms the high degree of security and resilience of the network architecture. Backpack launches withdrawals for FTX EU clients. Backpack has begun the withdrawal process for FTX EU clients, providing access to EUR assets. This marks a key milestone in the recovery of funds following the FTX collapse. Ethereum up 60% since early May on Pectra upgrade. Ethereum has seen a 60% gain since early May, driven by the Pectra upgrade. Volatility remains, but Layer 2 gains and network improvements are keeping Ethereum strong. Frank steps down as DeGod's CEO. DeGod's founder Frank has stepped down as CEO, prompting mixed reactions. Despite short-term interest, the project is facing falling prices and volumes. Cryptocurrencies show growth in volumes amid news of US-China tariff suspensions. Cryptocurrency trading volumes increased after news of the US-China tariff suspensions. Bitcoin and altcoins showed growth, which may signal a new phase of growth. Backpack launches new lending and staking services. Backpack has launched lending and staking with yields of up to 10% on Solana and 5.25% on USD. This attracts long-term liquidity and builds trust in the platform. YZI Labs launches Easy Residence Program for startups. YZI Labs has launched the Easy Residence Program with a grant of $500,000 for startups in Web3, AI, and healthcare. The program will attract the attention of startups until May 21st. Brave has integrated Cardano and Midnight. The Brave browser has added support for Cardano and Midnight, improving security and expanding user accessibility. This is a major step for multi-chain access. Uzbekistan launches pilot stable token Humo. Uzbekistan has announced the launch of a stable token Humo, backed by government bonds. The project will ensure accessibility and compatibility with various smart contracts. China is gearing up for the mass introduction of humanoid robots. China is actively developing humanoid robot technology, investing billions of dollars. Robot sales are expected to reach 1 million units by 2030. New York aims to become the crypto capital of the world. New York City is preparing a summit to discuss the development of the crypto industry, aiming to improve access to financial services for the underprivileged. Apple to introduce AI battery management in iOS 19. Apple's iOS 19 will introduce AI battery management, improving power management and extending battery life on devices, including the new iPhone 17 models. US-Saudi Arabia trade deal boosts markets. The $600 billion trade deal between the US and Saudi Arabia has boosted markets, boosting the S&P 500 and cryptocurrencies. Coinbase's inclusion in the S&P 500 will increase investor interest. This is where our episode ends. Do you think Trump's decision and tariff changes will affect the growth of cryptocurrencies? And how interesting is the new stable token Humo in Uzbekistan? Write in the comments. And if you want to understand these issues in more detail, visit the Cryptemic Academy. We have courses on trading, security, and analytics. Subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next episode.